In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to tie two pieces of line together using a double grinner or double uni knot. The two pieces of line are laying parallel to one another, and you take the first one and make a loop like so. Now this tag end has got to go around the doubled up piece of line and through that loop. In this case 4 times, but in real terms I'd probably put it through at least 5 or 6. That's 2, 3, 4. So we gently pull that up now, not all the way. I don't want it to tighten just yet. So just loosely. We don't need to lubricate it yet either. So we do exactly the same again with the other tag end of the other piece of line. So we make a loop and we're going to go over the double piece and through that loop 4 times. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 4. We pull that up again gently. We don't want to pull it all the way, like so. Now all we do now is, this is the point where we'd probably lubricate those 2 knots and just pull them together until they touch, and now we can start easing the knot up. Like I've said before, you don't have to tie a knot in the first go. You can just ease it together, make sure it's sitting right so everything's pointing in the right direction. So there's your double grinner. Obviously you'll trim those tag ends off quite close. Your double grinner or double uni knot.